like literally buying a brand new car. In the Firenze Red, this is the brand new model Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE with the light cloud interior and a bundle of other extras. Now this car's a 23 registration with 700 miles on. It doesn't get any newer. Now this car was registered literally about 12 days ago, so it's about as new as it gets. Then you've got the black exterior pack on it, which is the badges, the grills, the inserts, the front splitter. It's a brand new model Range Rover Sport, so they do come very well spec'd. Things like the adaptive LED headlights, the LED daytime running lights, and the LED rear lights. But also features like adaptive cruise control, front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, headlight washers. You get all them nice, neat little features, which are very useful day to day when you're driving. You've then got the bonnet vents and the side vents finished in black. The Firenze Red is quite a rare colour to see in the Range Rover Sport, especially when it's got the light cloud interior. The contrasting colours work extremely well. This car then has the upgraded 22-inch SV Bespoke wheels. This is a new design wheels for the new Range Rover Sport. Look extremely well because they're two-tone. You've got a matte black finish and a gloss black on the inserts. And just behind you can see the Brembo red brake calipers. Nice. Air suspension, access height, you can raise it, do what you want. You've then got front and rear mud flaps, they're an extra. The contrasting roof, that's an extra. And the sun protection glass, another extra. You've then got the electric deployable door handles. So when this car is locked, you know it's locked because the door handles go back in nice and flush with the side of the car. The mirrors fold in as well. But when you open it, you then greet it with that awesome, genuinely an awesome light cloud interior with the ebony. It's nice and up to date. It's modern. What they did with the Range Rover Sport is they raised the centre tunnel, and you'll see lots of black chrome around the car, which is the bezel, that's on the door card, the centre tunnel, the centre dash, the bottom dash, everywhere. Electric memory and heated seats, and the adjustments are at your fingertips. So a lot of the cars, when you're adjusting the seats, you end up scratching your watch or the seat because it's down here normally, down below. But now with them being the door card, it's very easy to adjust. You've then got the Meridian sound system, which is a very good speaker system. The touchscreen media system here, which starts off with navigation, connectivity for your Bluetooth, media side of stuff, and you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've then got the 4x4 settings there as well. Different settings and other settings on the vehicle with regards to voice control, the cameras, the valet mode. You can do so much with it. It's just, most people don't use half of it that's available, but there is so much on the car, including cabin lighting, so you can change the accent, the background, and footwell lighting on it as well. Short shifter gear stick there, so reverse, neutral, drive, P for park, or you can knock it into sport, which leaves it in gear a bit longer. Different drive program for the all-terrain, so you've got comfort program, you've got grass, gravel, snow, mud, ruts, etc. Or leave it in there and let it do it automatically. Dual zone climate control, front and rear heated windscreen, 2 keys with this car, twin cup holders, and if you slide this compartment backwards, you've got more cubbyhole space with USB and USB. That's a big space there, you can fit an iPad in there. The centre armrest, which is leather wrapped, that comes up as well. Nice cubbyhole space just below here. Lots of headroom and legroom for all your friends and family. And this car also has a sliding panoramic roof, another extra. So if you spec check this car on the Land Rover platform, and you'll see the price this is going for live for now, it's a very good price without having to wait 12 months for the car, or the nonsense of, oh yeah, you're getting put back a little bit, not being sure what your car's worth, or all that uncertainty. This one, you've got none of that. It's light new in a superb colour combination. It's available. If you like it, pick the phone up, give me a call, just drive it away. As I get to the back of the car, the new styling with the LED stretch light system, sweeping indicators, the rear diffuser's completely changed now with a high gloss finish, automatic tailgate with a nice generous boot. Suitcases, golf gear, shopping, prams, whatever you're going to use the car for, it's more than enough. Seats go down 40, 40, 20, and underneath here you've got a bit more cubbyhole space as well. Locking wheel nut, which is very important, that's just there. Because the car's got air suspension, you can drop the back end of the car even further lower down, just to make loading and offloading a little bit easier for you. Great car. If you haven't driven one, I urge you to drive one because they're comfortable, they're smooth, they're quiet, more than enough power with 300 brake horsepower. Just do a cracking job. Push button start, the two-tone leather steering wheel, which is nice because when you're looking this way, this is what you're seeing. It feels very, very posh, rich, and it feels good. The full digital dashboard there, all the heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, voice control and stereo controls, the little nozzle just behind here, which is up and down, in and out, paddle shift, your camera system, it doesn't get much better, it's nice and clear. You've got a full 3D system there as well. This is a fabulous car. We do sell a lot of Range Rover Sports in different colour combinations, and every so often when you get a nice blue one or a red one, it just stands out to me because it's different. There's tons and tons of black ones and white ones out there, but this one is a little bit special. Earlier today, I got another one in stock, which was the Portofino blue one, which I thought was tremendous, to be fair. It's there behind you, actually. Have a look at this. Cracking car. So don't get us wrong, the stock changes every single day. But the Portofino blue with a light cloud interior is stunning because that's the first one I've ever had. And then the Firenze Red, I haven't had many at all. These are two cracking cars that have just arrived today. Both are very limited miles on. My name is Joe. If you want any part exchange prices, finance figures, just get in touch with me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.